absolutely love Vida Glow. Everything I've used from them, it worked absolutely amazing for me. So it was the same with these capsules. Fast results, so after 2 weeks I could see the improvements on my skin already. I've never suffered with really bad acne, but I do get breakouts every now and then. I did not have any issues since I started using them. I feel like my skin complexion looks a lot more clear, clean and even. Really, really happy with the results, and I cannot wait to try the Radiance. Yeah, the Radiance capsules next, because I've seen them on the website and I'm really intrigued to get to try them as well. I think I've got like 7 left, but that's only because I'm taking one every 2 days now because it's coming to the end of it and I want to make it last a bit longer. I don't know if it's cheating or not, but yeah, easy to take. No, I didn't forget. They have no bad taste, and to be fair, because they're so innovative with the way they look, like it's part liquid and part capsule. It's nice. It's something that I look forward to. It looks healthier, it's more even, more clear. I didn't struggle with no acne, even like blackheads. It was a lot better than before. So really impressed. Yeah, fast results, I'd say.
Been a few bumps along the road, but I definitely think I'd like to continue to try this and keep seeing the benefits over a longer period of time. A few things that I noticed is that you do have to take it with food, which for me, I need to set an alarm to remind me to do that probably around dinner time, because I did forget. But the easiest way I found to remember is I would pop it in my lunch bag. So during the week at work, easy peasy, because as soon as I go in my lunch bag to get my lunch, it's there to remind me. I want to touch on the fact that it does have quite a strong fish smell. However, it is vegan, it's not fish, it's algae. And for some reason that made me feel a little bit less grossed out about the taste and the smell, because instead of when I'm swallowing it, I'm not thinking like, ooh, cod livers. I'm thinking algae, plants, that's great. I do think it's more of a long game before seeing the effects on my skin. This week is probably my worst week of the month for breakouts, so this will be crunch time really to see about those hormonal flare-ups and whether I still get them. I have noticed 1 or 2, but so far it has definitely been less. And I also did notice that since using this, it's really helped to sort of give me a little bit more of a glow and get rid of that winter skin feel that I've been having for the last couple of weeks, where you just feel like you just need a refresh and a reset on your skin. So that definitely seems to have helped.
I would say that my experience with them has been really good. At first it was a bit awkward. The capsule size is a bit large. I think I mentioned that in my newness video. I did forget to take them a couple of times, but that was just a daily thing of like, oh, I forgot to bring it into work with me, can't take it at lunch. Apart from that, I feel as if they definitely did something. I would definitely be buying more of them to see how they would affect me in the long term, because I know from experience that dealing with acne isn't an instant thing. Even with like direct GP and NHS related products, they'll want you to take it for at least 3-4 months before you start seeing an effect. You'll see it instantaneously, as I did after 2 weeks, that my skin wasn't as dry and acne wasn't appearing as commonly. But as I said in newness, I didn't expect it to go away within 2 days. I would definitely say that they're a product that I would stick with for the future. I didn't really notice too much of a taste. It was kind of tasteless, if that makes sense. If I could correlate it to something that I would think it would taste like, is sort of any other capsule that has a plastic or film coating on it, if that makes sense. It sort of goes down really quickly and really well, but it has that like tiny little plasticky taste, if that makes sense. Apart from me forgetting it, which is my fault, there was no problematic issue with it. I really liked them.